Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to make a group on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Snapchat camera will open as default. Tap on the chat bubble icon from the bottom of your screen. Now, you will see a chat list with your friends. Click on the chat edit icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on New Group. Give a name to your group chat. And select at least 2 friends from the list to start a group. Then, tap on Chat with Group. And you will successfully create a new group on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to create a group chat on Snapchat. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.